If your liver could text you right now, it might say, hey, thanks for that water you gave me earlier, but that fourth energy drink, that pizza, yeah, not my best day. Today, we're diving into one of the most hardworking and underappreciated parts of your body, your liver. And I'm going to give you one ridiculously simple habit that can really help support it. Your liver is your body's natural detox center. It filters toxins from your blood, breaks down your fats, balances your hormones, stores nutrients, and even helps manage your blood sugar. It handles over 500 vital tasks without you even thinking about it 24/7. But here's the thing, most of us are accidentally making our liver's job way harder than it should be. How? Think sugary drinks, processed foods, too much alcohol, chronic stress, and even skipping sleep. These things can lead to liver overload, and over time they can snowball into conditions like fatty liver disease, even if you never touch alcohol. The scary part? Early liver damage usually shows no obvious symptoms. You might just feel a little tired, sluggish, or have weird cravings, and not even realize your liver's waving a little SOS flag. But here's the good news, and it's really good. Your liver can heal itself. It's one of the only organs that can actually regenerate new healthy cells if you start taking care of it. And it can start with something ridiculously simple. 1 glass of water with fresh lemon in it every morning. It's usually best to put it in warm water, but cold is fine as well. That's it. Nothing fancy, no overpriced detox. Lemon water helps in 3 ways. First, hydration. Your liver needs water to flush out waste. Second, vitamin C from the lemon boosts antioxidant production, especially glutathione, your liver's favorite detox helper. Third, starting your day clean just sets the tone for better choices all day long. No, lemon water won't magically detox your body. Your liver does that job naturally. But small habits like this support your body doing what it's designed to do better. Now here's just a couple more tips to really help your liver. First, eat more colorful veggies, especially leafy greens. Get regular sleep. Your liver detoxes best while you sleep. Cut back as much as you can on processed foods. And breathe deep. Stress literally inflames your organs. Your liver has been working so hard for you since day one. Give it a little help back. It deserves it. Start with a glass of lemon water tomorrow, and your body will feel the difference, even if you don't see it right away. Want to know what your gut, your skin, and your brain is begging for too? Hit that subscribe button because we're taking care of ourselves one organ at a time. See you in the next one.